This tutorial provides step-by-step instructions on how to adopt and update openings from Linked Revit and IFC models. In this session, you will learn how to insert Linked Revit and IFC models into your project. You can either load the models into your main project or into a separate coordination project, which should only contain the openings. If you want to place the openings directly into your architectural or structural model, open the desired model and link all Revit and IFC files into the project, which contains the openings that should be adopted. Alternatively, if you would prefer adopting the openings in a coordination model, prepare such a model and add the architectural, structural, and the provision for void models into it. In this example, we are working with an architectural model. If you want to adopt the openings into a structural or coordination project, simply open the desired model. The workflow for inserting linked models is no different. Start by opening the Revit ribbon tab Insert and clicking on either Linked Revit or Linked IFC. Then, select and open all relevant models containing the openings, also called provision for voids. If a linked model has an incorrect location, you can easily adjust the position and orientation of the model by moving and rotating it to the desired location. Ensure that a new, updated model version is positioned in the exact location. Otherwise, it may trigger changes to the openings when rerunning ConVoid. If you are working with IFC models and you receive an update or a new version of an IFC model, we strongly recommend removing the old RVT file of the old IFC model to prevent Revit from combining the new IFC models with the existing RVT file. Doing so may result in issues with parameters and geometry. First, remove the link to the outdated IFC model from your project. Then delete the RVT file of the outdated IFC model. Finally, link the new IFC model to your project. Now you're all set to move on to the next step.